Hello everyone. To start with, I would like to introduce SabreSFA mobile application. The SabreSFA mobile application allows you to mark your attendance, audit a screen, geotag the user, and view the reports. The entire application is based on the hierarchy with the different user modes like regional manager, store manager, area sales manager, etc. Let's move forward with the installation process of the application. For this, select your mail app and download the attached APK file. The download process will start. Once the downloading is completed, click on the APK file. And to start the installation process, click Settings. Select the rights and click OK. Click Next and click Install to start the installation process. Once the application is installed, click Open to open the application. Now, as we are accessing this user on this device for the first time, we will require to register the user. Click Register PIN for this and enter employee code. We have already imported user in the application and employee code of Vikas is 004152. After this, enter a 6-digit number in the new PIN section and repeat the same for re-enter re-PIN. Click Submit. The registration process is complete. After the registration, you can also access Forget Your PIN feature of the app. For this, click Forget Your PIN and enter your employee code. After this, you can enter your new PIN number in the new PIN section. Click Submit. Your password is successfully reset. After this, you can log in the application by entering the PIN number which you have reset. After entering PIN, click Login. On successful login, you will be redirected to the attendance screen. The attendance functionality will be covered in the next video. Thanks.